Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to try to keep this short because I am. Because I like to ramble. And also, you have a lot of time that you end up staring at screens. So, I hope things are well. It's a little bit cloudier today. Sorry. I mean, not that it's my choice. But anyway, I hope it makes it a little bit easier to take care of some business for school. Here's what I would like you to do. The idea for today is that we're going to take the story of Hercules, where he was trying to expiate his guilt. But also, okay, this is my dog. What has he just done? He's just tipped over the watering can. Apparently, he was super thirsty. Or he was doing two things. Number one, getting my attention in the naughtiest way possible. Number two, getting a bonus little drink. Okay, I love you very much, Dad, but oh my God. Okay, I'm just going to get this done really quickly. What I'd like you to do is update the 12 labors of Hercules into 6. What are 6 modern labors of Hercules? Then you can draw it and take a picture of it and Dropbox it. Or you can use the mildly crappy online comic book maker that I have linked, but you could also make little adorable stick figure drawings in Google Draw, which is secretly part of Drive. If you want to create a new thing and then it's like, more, go over there. And then you can create a digital drawing. So, if you want to do more than 6, you totally can. But otherwise, that's the deal. I hope you are well. I gotta go get a towel now to clean this up. But also, have great days. Yay! Okay, bye.